Your heating and air conditioning system, commonly referred to as an HVAC system, are the lungs of your home. Throughout the day, your air circulates around your home dozens of times, especially in the heating and cooling months. Naturally, your HVAC system will get pretty dirty and inefficient throughout the years. Several pounds of dust particles will accumulate in your ducts every year. These particles primarily consist of human skin, pet dander, dust mites, and potentially mold. Home renovation projects also create significant debris inside your system. If you are a health-conscious person or have safety concerns with allergies or asthma, cleaning your HVAC system is important to ensure your health and safety. Not only will it improve your health, but a clean HVAC system will drastically improve the efficiency and performance of your system, resulting in lower utility bills. At National Radon Defense, we take a unique approach to improving your indoor air quality. We utilize the best technology to thoroughly remove all the debris inside your HVAC unit. We also clean your registers, air handler, and provide fogging treatment to safely disinfect all the surfaces inside your entire system. After your system is clean, we can then upgrade your filtration systems and install UVC light technology to keep your system clean and operating efficiently for years. These upgrades will transform your HVAC system into a whole house air cleaning machine. National Radon Defense's highly trained and skilled team will help ensure the health and safety for your family for years to come.